Say, hey, I'm Birch.
Hey, I'm Birch.
Playing with construction toys.
You see it? Send it to Grandpa.
Send it to Grandpa? Okay. Gotcha. Now put him back in there.
Okay.
Drop him. Nice.
I'm gonna do another car. It's like the monster truck. I'm gonna do the monster truck.
Oh, gotta go lower.
I can't. Ow!
Uh-oh.
I think I'm supposed to do it. Oh, I got a tire stuck. Okay, it's hold on. I got his back.
Let's see. Oh, wow. Crank him up.
Okay, so you would see him?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see him now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get him much higher. Can you see him now?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna drop him.
Yeah. That was awesome. Getting somebody else? Who else you gonna get? That guy?
Yeah, the truck. Normal truck. I got him now. Grab him. Oh! I'm gonna turn him around this way. Oh, you want me to clamp him up?
Yeah.
Okay, after this one, we're gonna do the wrecking ball.
Okay. Nice.
We're gonna hitch the wrecking ball now.
Okay. How do you take it off? Got it?
Yeah, got it off.
The hook's on?
Yeah, just hooks on.
Hmm.
It hooks on. Oh, the bottom, I mean. So she insists. You need to crank it down?
Yeah. And then swing it at something.
Yeah, okay.
What are you gonna wrecking ball?
This guy.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna wrecking ball him down.
Can you knock him off the table?
Oh, yeah, I am.
You almost hit me in the face. Whoa, nice job.
Yeah.
Oh, that thing's dangerous.
Wrecking ball's dangerous.
Yeah. Dangerous.
Is it dangerous?
Yeah, put it on here now.
Yeah.
Don't hit me.
No. Because you will be sad.
Yeah. Oh, we lost the ball.
It's right here.
Oh, okay, good.
You thought I lost the ball,
Mm-hmm.
and then we couldn't find it.
Can you show me the sand in here now? This is a Kinetic sand, right?
Yeah.
Who makes this thing?
That dude, you're dumping it.
Kinetic sand. I don't know who makes it.
Maybe dump truck.
Comes with the dump truck. Little ramp on there. That piece, those pieces. And these are just Hot Wheels cars we got.
What store did we get these Hot Wheels from?
I don't know what store we got this from. Why don't you show me how the sand works? You want to fill the dump trucks up with sand?
No, but I don't have a lot of sand for that.
You what?
I don't have a lot of sand.
Yeah, we lost all the sand, didn't we?
Yeah,
It's on the ground.
yeah.
Got rained in there. That's okay.
That's okay. We use that sand.
Yeah, we got some sand, right?
Got some sand. Oh, bunch. Got a whole bunch.
You got enough to fill that truck up?
Yeah, I got this much.
This is Kinetic sand. Does it feel really cool?
Yeah. It feels wet.
Oh yeah, it got water in there, didn't it? We left it outside.
Yeah. Let's dump it out and see what it looks like. Oh, isn't that a pile?
Yeah.
Let's dig it up. Let's eat it up. Like me with the clay. I got 2 extra on.
Let's see. Ooh. What kind of sandals you got?
Toy Story.
Yeah, those are sweet.
You want to see me walk around?
See you walk around. Yeah, sure.
They're like just slow ones.
All right, say see you later, everybody.
See you later, everybody.
Say thanks for watching me play.
Thanks for watching me play.
Say see you soon.
See you soon.
Say love you, miss you, see you soon.
Well, we'll miss you. See you soon.
And then wave to us. Can you look at me and wave?